Popular aviation videos online. Hello, I'm a motor taxi driver repairing airplanes. This incident of a person falling comes from Indonesia. It happened not long ago. The aircraft involved is an Airbus 320. You see, the staff member fell from the position of his boarding gate. The threshold height of gate 20 is about 3.4 meters. He fell from this height onto the hard tarmac. It is said there is no life-threatening danger. He is receiving treatment. So what caused this accident to happen in our daily aircraft maintenance? Does this happen often? From the footage we can see the nose landing gear is hooked to the tow bar. A maintenance worker is removing the wheel chocks, indicating that the aircraft is about to depart. The staff member near the boarding gate should be making the final handover with the crew. Aircraft is closing cabin doors. And just as the handover on the plane is happening, the two staff members below have already started removing the boarding stairs, which led to crew stepping into thin air and falling. There's a saying that goes, don't fear a godlike opponent, but fear a teammate like a pig. So in daily maintenance, does this situation occur often? The answer is quite obvious. Those who watched the video basically all know our safety assurance for the aircraft and passengers is 100%. So for our own people, we shouldn't neglect them either. Let's shout out our slogan. Everyone talks about safety. So when we need to remove the boarding stairs, there are two methods. First, on the left side of our boarding door, there is a hidden barrier rope similar to a retractable seatbelt. Pull it all the way to the right horizontally. You can see there's a red loop at the end. Then on the other side of the door frame, there is a hook. This red loop is meant to hang on that hook. Now it's a what situation? Even if the passenger stairs have been removed, we still have this barrier rope to block the way. Don't underestimate this barrier rope. Its quality is quite good. It has saved countless lives. Of course, there is a second method. If you are unwilling to pull the barrier rope, or if it starts raining, we need to close the cabin door first before removing passenger ladder vehicle. This is also the safest method. Both methods can effectively prevent people from falling from the cabin door. There is a prerequisite for implementing these two methods. The person removing the boarding ladder or passenger ladder must perform these two tasks as the first step. If you do not perform them, at best you'll be caught by quality control and fined. At worst, it could lead to footage situation, causing your teammate to fall, resulting in immeasurable harm.